सोहेल सर है। सोहेल सर है।
35
State. Myself, Akshita Jaiswal, a senior Wushu player and coach of Telangana State. It is my privilege to take this important host of first ever online Wushu Telangana Taulu Championship 2020. Now I request our Abbas Kirmani sir, Secretary of Wushu Association Telangana State, to welcome the chief guest for today's program.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I
Good
welcome Sri Bhupender Singh Bajwa sir, our beloved president of Wushu Association of India, who has spared his valuable time to inaugurate this first ever Telangana State Online Wushu Championship that we are going to host today. I also welcome Sohail Ahmed sir, the CEO of Wushu Association of India, who has come here to grace this occasion with his presence. I also welcome our President, Sri M.A. Khan, the Honorable Member of Parliament and President of Wushu Association Telangana, who has joined today for this inauguration and opening ceremony of the first Telangana Online Championship. I welcome Sri Jagdishwar Yadav sir, the General Secretary of Telangana Olympic Association, who has spared his valuable time, joined this occasion and to grace this occasion with his presence. And lastly, I want to welcome Sri Shabir Ali, the legendary football player who has played for India and who is the captain and coach of Indian team for several years. And he was awarded the Dhyan Chand Award. So I welcome him also for this opening ceremony function. And at the same time, I welcome all the participants and I welcome all the viewers who are right now watching us live on this YouTube channel and also on the Facebook. I welcome the press people, the print media, and also the electronic media. This is the first time that such championship is being organized by Telangana Wushu Association Telangana. In fact, this was an idea given to us by our federation, Wushu Association of India, because they are going to host the National Online Wushu Championship very soon. So inspired by their idea, we thought of conducting this championship online for the first time to boost the morality, to boost the morale, to boost the positivity in all the athletes of Telangana state. I pass on to Akshita.
Thank you, sir.
Akshita, go spotlight.
Thank you, sir. This is the first time Wushu Telangana Association is going to conduct online Wushu championship. It is to encourage the morale of Wushu players of Telangana state. Now we are going to present some demonstrations by our state athletes. First performance will be given by Harjot Singh from Hyderabad district. He will be performing Tai Chi. On Mirza from Hyderabad district will perform Shingi Chon.
तो फोन करो, बोलो ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है।
आर्यन ये देखो, आओ इधर आओ।
एक कोर्स बोल दो।
जापान वाले कार्ड दो।
जोत को दो।
Thank you, On Mirza. Now I request Rishikesh from Rangareddy district will perform Dauchu.
Gaurav. Change करो, change. Rishikesh, हाँ Rishikesh.
Rishikesh from Rangareddy district will perform Dauchu. Thank you, Rishikesh. Now I request the female, one and only the female from Machal district, Sri Meksha, will perform Gunshu event. Thank you, Moksha. Harjot from Hyderabad district will perform Tai Chi.
Proceed further.
Okay, sir. Sure. Thank you. Now I request our President M.A. Khan, sir, to say a few words to all the participants.
थैंक यू मैडम।
Thank you, sir.
आज के इस कोरोना वायरस के जमाने के अंदर मैं समझता हूँ कि तेलंगाना विश्व एसोसिएशन का ये एक इक़दाम और आपका ऑनलाइन ये कराना और बच्चों को फिजिकली फिट रखने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है। इसके लिए ऑल इंडिया विश्व एसोसिएशन के प्रेसिडेंट को, जनरल सेक्रेटरी की और तेलंगाना के प्रेसिडेंट को मेरे तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज सारी ऑल इंडिया के अंदर ये आबादी समाधि के अंदर तेलंगाना विश्व एसोसिएशन ने एक अच्छा कदम लिया और आप लोगों ने इसके लिए मदद की और एक अच्छे स्पोर्ट्समैन तैयार करने में बच्चों को आज के ऐसे दिन में तालीम के साथ साथ फिजिकल फिट रखने के लिए ये एक अच्छा कदम है। इसके लिए मैं ऑल इंडिया के प्रेसिडेंट और तेलंगाना के हमारे जनरल सेक्रेटरी और खुसूसन आप तमाम लोगों को और हिंदुस्तान के तमाम लोगों को मुबारक दूंगा कि एक अच्छे कदम को आपने बच्चों को मशहूर रहने के लिए किया। आपको और तेलंगाना
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. I request Sri Jagdishwar Yadav, sir, General Secretary of Telangana Olympic Association, to give valuable advice to all the participants.
Thank you, madam. On behalf of Telangana Olympic Association, I extend my hearty greetings and congratulations to the M.A. Khanji, the President of the Wushu Association Telangana, and Sri Abbas Kirmani, the General Secretary of the Wushu Association Telangana, and his all colleagues who are working for the development of Wushu in Telangana as well as in India. I also extend my hearty welcome to Bhupendra Bajwa, the President of the Wushu Federation of India. The Wushu Federation is doing best and to develop the game of Wushu, and the Wushu laurels to our country in nation as well as in many international countries. Nowadays, there is a lot of demand for the Wushu in our Telangana state, and I congratulate the Wushu Association Telangana for the concept of introducing the online competition in Wushu Taolo Championship, which is organized by the Telangana. I am really satisfied with the performance of the students, those who have exhibited now, and I am really happy and glad to say that the Wushu Association Telangana will do best Telangana state to our state in our country as well as international competition. I, on behalf of Telangana Olympic Association, I congratulate, wish best of luck to all the players, those who are participating in this championship, as well as the organizers who are organizing this championship. Thank you, one and all. I am also glad to say that Wushu Association Telangana has given a platform to the players to perform in these days of Corona, because the players are very idle in their houses, so they have given them a good platform to perform. I once again congratulate the association members as well as the players for participation in this championship. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot. Definitely, we'll bring the laurels to our state with your support. Thank you once again, sir. Now, I request our legendary football champion and Dhyanchand awardee, none other than Shabir Ali, sir, to please say a few words to all the participants. He's glad that I'm inviting you, sir, today.
Voice, sir, voice. We are not getting your voice.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, sure.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir, it is audible now.
Now it is okay.
Please say a few words to all the
Telangana
participants.
Wushu Association, Secretary Telangana Olympic Association, participant, and my dear friend. I'm very happy to be here with you all. It is a very bad time is going on for everyone, especially to the sportsmen during the lockdown. We have to follow the restriction and other things. But this is very difficult for the sportsmen to stay at home and not to do the practice and other things. But this is a very good concept which is taken by Telangana Wushu Association to do the online championship. And what I have seen about the players, especially the youngsters, they have really done well. I'm sure in future they will represent the state as well as country. It's a very good thing done by the Telangana Wushu Association, especially by Abbas Kirmani, to conduct this contest. This will at least keep the sportsman busy and take part in the championship. I wish them all the best especially to the players as well as to the Telangana Wushu Association for doing this championship. And a special thanks to Abbas for inviting me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, once again. Now, I request our Honorable President Bhupender Singh Bajwa, sir, to give his valuable advice to all the participants and inaugurate the first online Wushu Taolu Championship 2020.
Thank you. Good afternoon, my dear friends.
Very good
It
afternoon,
gives
sir.
me immense pleasure to see how my associate fellow of Wushu States Association are trying hard to overcome the stress and caused by COVID-19 epidemic, keeping themselves busy in Wushu activities. Otherwise, they were away from Wushu arena from last 1.5 months. Heartiest congratulations to the President of Telangana Wushu Association, Secretary, players and coaches of Telangana Association for conducting the online championship. These efforts will in turn make the online Wushu championship, which is going to start from 15th May. I am also very thankful to Telangana Olympic Association and Shabir Bhai of footballer, and with my all good wishes, I hereby declare this championship open. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Now, I call upon Sri Abbas Firmani, sir, Secretary of Wushu Association, to give vote of thanks to all the chief guests and the participants for the program today.
I offer my heartfelt thanks to Sri Bhupender Singh Bajwa, sir, our beloved President of Wushu Association of India, for
Thank you.
sparing his valuable time and for gracing this occasion and for opening the first ever Telangana Online Wushu Championship. I also thank Sri Sohail Ahmed, sir, the CEO of Wushu Association of India, for gracing this occasion and for being with us today. I thank our beloved President Sri M.A. Khan, sir, Honorable Member of Parliament, and the President of Wushu Association Telangana for gracing this occasion. I thank Sri Jagdishwar Yadav, sir, for sparing his valuable time to be with us for this opening ceremony of first Telangana Online Wushu Championship. Lastly, I would like to thank Sri Shabir Ali, sir, for sparing his valuable time for being with us today. I thank all the participants, the press, print media, electronic media, and all the viewers on the YouTube and Facebook channels watching us today. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone.
The championship schedule is going to start from 1 o'clock to 1:40. All the participants are requested to be online at 1 o'clock. As per the serial order, they will be called upon to give their performances. The schedule is already posted. Thank you one and all. All the best to all the participants.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, one and all, and all the
Thank you,
best to
sir.
all the participants.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.